is about me buying a new motor. You know what I'm saying? I will be getting a new motor here soon for this box Chevy. A lot of people, I know y'all gonna try and tell me just LS swap it, but like I said, I don't want my box Chevy like everybody else's. Everybody box Chevys, you don't really see too many box Chevys with 350s in them. Yeah, man, I'm excited and I'm ready. I really want that motor so bad, and he told me he'll work with me, so we're just gonna go from there and try and see what we can get done.
Now I'm doing shit you can be proud of. My shit used to be empty, now half of my closet proud of. I fell, but a nigga got up. This and this shit get shot up. Punching my pocket not up. Rapping on finally making it right while I was locked up. So my niggas just hold on, never worry, dog, I got us. Why? Cause it's up.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Deuce back with another video. This is gonna be the last video I'm able to record today because I gotta go do some stuff, so I'm not gonna be able to record anymore today. Maybe I'll try to record one once I get back, but this video is about me buying a new motor. You know what I'm saying? I will be getting a new motor here soon for this box Chevy. Now, if y'all watched my video when I made if y'all watched the video I made about my transmission, then I told y'all that I was talking to this dude about getting this motor and transmission. Now, I've been looking at prices for transmissions that I'm looking for, like the 700Rs. Right now, this car has a 3-speed in it. So I've been told the 4-speed is better, and I haven't been told what other transmissions to really get, you know what I'm saying? Not yet. My dad told me the 700R would be pretty good to get, and like I said, I had already been doing a little research on it. I know it's a 4-speed. Shout out to my boy Skips for sending me a picture of the two transmissions. Let me show y'all real quick, real fast. So the TH 350 is what I have, which is a 3-speed, and then the 700R is a 4-speed. That's what my dad told me I should go ahead and upgrade to. But one of my dad's friends was talking to my dad and me and was like, he got a 350 with a transmission that he is willing to sell me. Now, this motor is built, it's a built motor. My 350 I have in here in my box Chevy is not built, you know what I'm saying? It's a stock motor. The only thing that was really done to this motor is headers, you know what I'm saying? And that was before I got the car. The only thing I had to do was put a new carb on it and get it running, you know what I'm saying? So this motor in this car is not built, but the motor that I've been offered to buy, it comes with a transmission and it's a built motor, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not considering it. I'm getting that motor, you know what I'm saying? It's just a matter of time of putting it in here. Now, I know a lot of box Chevy, a lot of y'all probably gonna be like, just LS swap it, LT swap it. The thing is, you see so many old schools with LTs and LSs in them already, you know what I'm saying? I want to do something different. Have my box Chevy be a little different, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep the 350 in here. So I've been offered, like I said, I've been offered to get another 350 and put it in this car. And he told me he already broke the motor in. The motor's broken in, the transmission's broken in. He did a couple hour drive on that motor and transmission, and he said the motor and transmission runs perfectly. It does good, you know what I'm saying? And it's not slow like this motor. Really, this transmission is what's holding this motor back in this car. So yeah, I'm for sure getting that motor, and y'all wouldn't believe me the price he told me I can pay for it. But it's more so a friends and family discount. Him and my dad are really close, you feel me? Like really close. Like they hang out just about every weekend. He go to my dad's store, they sit down, just talk. They really close. So he gave me a little friends and family discount. I don't know if I want to tell y'all, because y'all gonna be like, something wrong with the motor, but it's not. Like I said, the motor is built. He built this motor himself, you know what I'm saying? And he broke it in and everything. Took a couple hour trip. Let me see, about a 4-hour drive, 5-hour drive, and then another 4 or 5 hours back. So it's almost 10 hours worth of driving on that motor. So the motor's broken in already, the transmission's broken in. Nah, not about 10 hours. Realistically, about 7 hours. 6 hours, 7 hours, somewhere around there. So the motor, like I said, is broken in, the transmission is broken in, and I'm most likely for certain it's not a 3-speed. He haven't messaged me back or anything yet about it, and I'm trying to get some pictures and stuff on it, but you know what I'm saying, he working and stuff right now, so it'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to pick it up. Today is Friday. I'm gonna try and pick the motor and transmission up next week. So this week coming up, I'm gonna try and go and get it, you know what I'm saying? Get my dad's truck we'll get one of his pickup trucks and go and pick up that motor and transmission, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Like I said, it's another 350. A lot of people, I know y'all gonna try and tell me just LS swap it, but like I said, I don't want my box Chevy like everybody else's. Everybody box Chevys, you don't really see too many box Chevys with 350s in them unless they still got the original motor, you know what I'm saying? And I think they 305s or 307s, something like that. But you don't see many box Chevys with 350s in them. You see them with LS's or LTs, supercharged and everything, but you don't see them with 350s. And this 350 I'm finna put in here, like I said, is built. It's not a regular 350. It ain't as slow as the one I have in here. Now I'm probably gonna swap the headers over so my exhaust still be loud, because I like it loud, but I want it to move too, you know? I don't want it like this motor now and transmission I have in this car now is really loud, but this car it don't move, you know what I'm saying? This car is so slow. And I don't care about being super fast to race or anything, you know? I would just want to have a little more speed to where if I want to get on the highway in this car, I can. Right now, I can't, because the highway speed limit is 70. This car don't get up to 70, you know? So I don't want to put this car on the highway then to try to overheat and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go and get that motor from him hopefully this week, y'all. Like I said, I'm so excited because I really want to get this motor. And the price for this motor and transmission is cheaper than just buying the transmission. But I'm gonna end up keeping this 350 just in case if I get another, like if I get that Monte Carlo like I told you I've been looking for. If I get just a shell, I have a motor and transmission to throw in there. But I still want to upgrade the transmission on this car to a 700R, you know what I'm saying? So regardless, I will be keeping this motor and transmission, but I will be upgrading the transmission on this motor in this car, and then we will put that built 350 in this car. So yeah, man, like I said, I'm excited and I cannot wait. Hope y'all excited just like I am. And I might try to swap it myself, but most likely not, because I don't want to deal with the headache of their wiring and everything. Maybe I take this motor out, so it'll be a little cheaper when I get ready to send this car to get the new motor put in. Maybe I'll go ahead and try to get this motor out. But if not, I'm gonna just leave it alone, drive it to the mechanic, and let him just do everything instead of having to get this car towed. Because in the end, it'll still be more money having to be spent. So yeah, catch y'all in a second once I get out the car. I'll show y'all my 350 that's in here now. Wish I had pictures of the new one, but y'all will see once we pick it up what the new one looks like. So y'all just gotta stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all once I get out the car. All right, y'all, trying to finish this before my camera dies, but this is the 350 that we have in this car. And like I said, this motor is stock. The only thing done to this motor is headers. No internals done. It ain't bored over or anything, you know what I'm saying? This motor is stock, you know, nothing upgraded, just brand new car. Other than that, this motor is pure stock. And that built motor, honestly, I don't know, he didn't dyno with it or anything, which I don't care about having a dyno. I don't care about knowing the horsepower numbers. As long as this car will allow me to get on the highway and go driving to wherever I want to go, that's all I care about, you know what I'm saying? I know I can do that in my Cutlass because the Cutlass gets up to speed, but this motor and transmission just doesn't, you know? It's a 3-speed transmission, so it ain't really much I can ask for out of that transmission. So yeah, man, I know a lot of y'all just gonna be like, just go ahead and LS swap it if you want to do all that. LS swaps cost $10,000, and even if I go and get a junkyard one, it'd still be better to get it looked over and then get some stuff upgraded, like the cams and stuff. Since you already have the motor out, you might as well go ahead and upgrade the cam and all that stuff, you know? So yeah, I'm not even gonna do all that. I'm just going ahead and grab that 350, and while that block is out, maybe I'll upgrade that cam, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna ask him about it once I get to his house and stuff with the motor. I'm gonna ask him on details with the motor, if he upgraded the cams and everything. All he told me was that it was built. He didn't tell me all the upgrades and stuff he did. So if he upgraded the cams and stuff, I won't have to worry about that. But if he didn't, then that's one thing I will upgrade while the motor is already out of the car, you know? So yeah, man, I'm excited and I'm ready. I really want that motor so bad, and he told me he'll work with me. So we're just gonna go from there and try and see what we can get done. If we look under here, y'all will see my 3-speed transmission, and There's only so much you can do with this transmission, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I don't know if it'll be too hard for me to swap the motor and trans. I know the trans I might can do myself. Just gotta unbolt the drive shaft, unbolt it from the motor, from the block, and undo the transmission mounts, undo the linkage. What else would it be? I don't know if it's gonna hit the exhaust pipes, maybe not, but I think that might be all, and then drop it, because this transmission is leaking and needs a new seal right here around the transmission pan. So yeah, man, y'all see my 26s as well. I'm excited, man. I'm ready to really get this car moving to where it'll be a little bit faster. I don't care about racing or none of that. I don't plan on racing it. I just want something to where I know I can still squeal my back tires. I can squeal the back tires in this with this motor. It's just it don't get up to speed, you know what I'm saying? I have squealed the back tires on my stock wheels, not these. I don't want to damage these wheels and tires, but on my stocks I did. You feel me? I did a few burnouts before. I ain't never tried to really do a donut in it, but I have done a few burnouts with this motor and transmission in this car, because it got power, just not fast, you know. So yeah. I'm excited though. Y'all let me know what y'all think about doing another 350 swap. Like I said, I'm excited and I'm ready to get it done. Put that down. But other than that, man, like I said, this is what's in there right now. 3-speed BBK headers, carb, and stock motor. And like I said, I think this is out of it's a 70 something Camaro or Corvette is what I looked up on the forums. But 3-speed transmission that keeps leaking, because I gotta get another seal again. So yeah, and I wasn't the one to put extra fluid in here. The mechanic that had the car did it and just didn't put another seal on it. So yep, I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. And like I said, I want y'all opinions in the comments, so y'all let me know what y'all think about me doing another 350 swap on this car. Like I said, I'm excited and I can't wait to pick it up, and once I get more details on it, I'm gonna tell y'all more details once we agree to pick it up and everything. So catch y'all in a second for the outro. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of this one, but now that I think about it, I keep doing all this stuff. Now I gotta keep pushing my paint back. So it is what it is though, you know what I'm saying? I'd rather get all this stuff done and not have the car painted at all this year than have the car painted and still want to, you know what I'm saying, still have to motor swap it and risk damaging the new paint on the car. So y'all just gotta bear with me, you feel me? Be patient with me like I'm being patient, you know what I'm saying, with my Cutlass. That was a let me quit playing. But like I said, y'all just gotta be patient with me like I'm being patient, you feel me, with all my cars, you know. So yeah, I'm not in a rush to paint the car. Yeah, I want the car painted because I got the wheels on it and stuff right now. But like I said, I'm not in a rush to paint it. I want to get that motor in now. I'm so excited about having a built motor in my car, you feel me? I can say that I have a built motor in my car, and I can also say my box Chevy not like everybody else's, you know what I'm saying? I have a 350 in it. A lot of people have LS's, LTs, you feel me? But I have a 350 in mine, and it's a built 350 that we can end up later on upgrading a lot more stuff, like, you feel me, upgrading the carb on. Like I said, I don't know really much about it. Only thing he told me was it was built, it was broken in, and you feel me, he did a road trip with it, you feel me? It ain't too many miles on it. It's just miles from the break-in period, that's it. And then he took the motor out because he's swapping his motor, you feel me, with, I think he said he's doing an LS. I don't know if he's doing a 5.3 or 6.0, but he put an LS in his car. And I said, in my head, I'm just like, bro, everybody does LS swaps with their old schools. Why not me just go ahead and do a small block? You feel me? Another 350, put another 350 in here and just rock out with that like that. You feel me? So, like I said, I don't want my box Chevy just like everybody else's. You feel me? So, and I'm not building this box Chevy to race it. So as long as I can have a motor that in here that allows me to just be able to jump on the highway whenever I want and go, and then I can also have fun in this car, like do some burnouts and have enough power to do burnouts and stuff, then I'm satisfied, I'm happy, you know what I'm saying? I love this car, you feel me? This is my dream car, and I got it, and I'm doing what I want with it, you feel me? I'm gonna end up upgrading the wheels later on, but I'm not putting new wheels on this car until I can afford to get a custom set of like brushed wheels. I want a set of brushed wheels on this car, so I think my camera finna die. Hopefully it don't turn off on me. But like I said, I'm not upgrading the wheels on this car until I can get a set of brushed wheels on here with a lip in the back. So that's when I will be getting 28s, whenever I can do that. And my Cutlass will be getting same set of, not the same exact set of wheels, but a set of brushed wheels with a little lip in the back, 22s, you feel me? So yeah, it's just y'all just gotta keep being patient with me, you feel me? Everything gonna happen sooner or later, but the main thing is we should be going to get that motor this week, and once I get ready to pick it up, I will be making a video on it, so y'all just have to stay tuned. So make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you can do, turn that post notification bell to all, that way y'all be notified every time I drop. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comments about me doing another 350 swap on this car. We will be replacing this 350 with a built one, and like I said, I will be keeping this motor and transmission just in case if I want to throw it in another project whenever I get one. And I will be upgrading this transmission, then I will sell, once I get ready to upgrade the transmission on this motor, or once I just have another transmission for this motor, I will be getting rid of that three speed, you feel me? I'm gonna sell it. Somebody might want it, you feel me? You never know until you post it. So yeah, man, like I said, I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless. I love y'all. I just said that, but y'all know where my heart is, you feel me? I appreciate y'all for rocking out with me, and it's gonna be the end of this one. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.